Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways on this one. Very nice bounce occurred. I mean, from where the price was to ultimately where it worked its way back upwards. You got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls did start to show some signs of strength, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 60-cent mark. Why is 60 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 60. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, one more time as 60 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as things stand right now, it's all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. On a few different occasions, the price has gotten somewhat within the vicinity of it there. And like I said, that's probably a little bit of a stretch. Didn't quite hit it. But general area, you can see that the price has gotten around it and just hasn't been able to push above it. And even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period. And you know that when prices are below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Again, I'm not saying it can never break above it. But yeah, historically speaking, that level does tend to act and it's kind of stubborn towards the bulls, but that'll be the next key battleground to push through. All in all, though, any way you look at it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a matter of seeing if the bulls can, fight above that level right there and keep on building higher bases. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.